Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making M&M cookies. Now these are both bright and colorful and also the perfect balance between chocolate and vanilla. I guarantee you this recipe will become a staple in your kitchen too. So let's get started. All right, so let's dive right into this recipe. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to whisk together 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons worth of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon's worth of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisking those together until they're well combined. This creates the dry mix for our recipe. And now in a separate large bowl, you want to add in 3/4 cups worth of unsalted butter that's been softened to room temperature. And you want to beat this until it becomes soft and creamy. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. And once it reaches this state, you want to add in 3/4 cups worth of light brown sugar, as well as half a cup's worth of granulated white sugar. You want to mix these until they become well combined, making sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl as you want to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed. Next, we're going to add in 1 large egg, as well as 1 egg yolk, mixing those together into the batter, following it with 1.5 teaspoons worth of pure vanilla extract, whisking that in as well. You always want to make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure all the ingredients are mixed well, and this creates the wet mix for our recipe. Now you want to slowly whisk in the dry mix into the wet mixture, about 1/3 portion at a time, not adding another portion until the dry mix has incorporated into the wet. And once your cookie batter has formed, you want to gently fold in the mini M&Ms, and for this recipe, we'll need about 3/4 cups worth of mini M&Ms into the dough. You want to cover the bowl with plastic wrap and allow this cookie dough to chill for at least 1 hour in the fridge. And when you're closer to baking time, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once our dough has been chilled, you want to scoop 1.5 tablespoons worth of the dough and form it into a ball of dough. You want to place these dough balls onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet, spaced about 3 inches apart. This recipe will make either 2 dozens or 2 baker's dozens worth of M&M cookies. We're going to transfer these to the oven and bake them for 11 to 12 minutes or until they become just golden brown. You want to remove them from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet, and repeat until all the dough has been used. And with those final steps, these cookies are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made M&M cookies right at home. This recipe works really well with mini chocolate chips as well. As you can see, they come out really tasty, and when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make these cookies, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe too. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you to make an amazing bread recipe, my pita bread. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out my videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.